You see, collectively, your fleets have millions of vehicles with connected AI dash cameras. These millions of vehicles are everywhere that operations happen. And they form a network of eyes that can understand weather hazards. And this is an incredible resource to keep each other safe. So we asked ourselves, what if it was possible to tap into that network and do it in a way that preserved your privacy and your control of your data? Well, we think we found a way to do that. We call it StreetSense. Let's take a look. So now we're not just looking at images from our own fleet's cameras. We're looking at images from across the network of millions of Samsara vehicles, including those that are here in this risk zone. And look at this. 20 seconds ago, 23 seconds ago, 41 seconds ago. This is near real-time visibility. We built this with privacy in mind. So we're using AI to strip out personally identifiable information, and each of you have control over whether or not your fleet's cameras participate in the StreetSense network. But when this visibility comes together, it is an incredible tool for you to keep each other safe. So if we want to zoom in and see what's happening at the north end of this weather incident, we can see, hey, there's a flood watch. We're starting to see some water accumulation. Things are getting pretty bad. We might have some delays, some road closures. Right? What about over here? Look, it's really coming down. As of a minute ago, we're seeing a lot of moisture on the road, wet conditions. Drivers are going to have to slow down to stay safe. What about down south? We're seeing some clouds, a couple drops, but it's not too bad yet. Shouldn't impact operations. This is what it means to have true situational awareness and have the visibility and context to keep your team safe. What do you think? This is pretty incredible, right? We went from a radar view to public alerts to our camera's visibility to this collective StreetSense network. Now we know what's happening everywhere. Let's bring it home for our drivers. We can compose a message for them. And the AI will actually take all of the information from the NWS feed, those pages of information, and it'll summarize it into a short message that we can send out. Next time they stop, they can see the message on their mobile app. But what would be even better is if we could not have to wait for them to stop and check the app. We'd love to actually give them a heads up in real time, especially when there's a safety hazard. Well, most of these drivers have a Samsara camera in the cab. This camera is connected, and it's got a speaker. So what if we could actually use AI to create a new message, an audio message, that could be played for them instantly through their dash camera speaker? Well, we can do that too. Let's take a look. So I'm going to go ahead and edit this message. I'm going to shorten it up. Plains region, starting around noon. The Beyond crowd wants you safe. Want to personalize it, make sure they know we're thinking about them. And now I'll enable in-cab audio, and it's going to use AI to generate a human-like spoken message that can play over the dash camera. Let's listen to what it produced.
NWS has issued a flood watch for the West Texas Mountain and Plains region starting around noon. The Beyond crowd wants you safe.
Pretty good.